Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic of discussion is Global Innovation Index 2023. So let's have a look. Global Innovation Index, which is 60th edition this year. The Global Innovation Index is an annual ranking of countries by their capacity for and success in innovation. The Global Innovation Index is published by the World Intellectual Property Organization, and the founder of GII is Sumitra Datta. India ranks 40th out of 132 economies in the GII 2023, up from 42nd in 2022. India's strengths in the GII 2023 include its human capital and research, knowledge and technology outputs, business sophistication, and knowledge absorption. India also needs to improve in areas such as institutions, infrastructure, and trade and investment. Top 3 most innovative economies of GII 2023. First one is Switzerland, second one is Sweden, and third one is the US. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next episode.